Let's see this problem. Roman to integer. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. So I is 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. So here, for example, 2 is written as double I, Roman numeral. In the same way, 12 is X double I, 10 plus 2, and 27, 20 plus 5 double X, 5 V, and 2 double I. So this is 27. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. So say 27, so left side is largest, right side is the smallest. Okay. However, the numerals for 4 is not 4 times I. Instead, the number 4 is written as IV. IV means we have to subtract 1 from 5. Because the 1 is before the 5, we subtract it, making 4. The same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as IX, that means 10 minus 1. So I can be placed before B, so it will be 4, and before X it will become 9. Simply X before L it will become 40, and before C it will be 90. So left side, if we put a smaller value, then we have to subtract. Okay, and right side, if we put a smaller value or equal value, then we have to add. So just this is the case. So what we have to find out here, input has been given in the form of a string, and we have to find out its output value, numerical value or integral value. Okay, so given a Roman numeral, convert it to an integer. So again, also see, this has been given L 50 plus 8, this is 58. So we have to convert. How will we convert? Left side value is smaller than right side value, then we will subtract like this. See, for I, if is placed before V, that means it will become 4. So you see, in any case, if left side value is small, then we have to subtract, and if right side value is greater or equal, then we will have to add. So this is the simple case. Just traverse the string at first, and we will store its value in a map. Okay, for all the integral value which has been given from I to M. Okay, I take a map here corresponding to I, it's 1, corresponding to capital B it is 5, corresponding to capital X this is 10, corresponding to capital L this is 50, corresponding to capital C this is 100, corresponding to capital D this is 500, and corresponding to capital M this is 1000. Sorry. So this is the map for each Roman value of its integral value has been given. Now we will traverse the string. So I take the length at first. Length of the string equal to length S. Now traverse for I in range length. Okay. First we have to check left side. If left side value is smaller than right side. So if M Si is less than only, then we will subtract M Si plus 1. And one more case we have to check here, because we are going from the last position. So here I should be always lesser than 1. That means last position. It can't go on last position, and I is less than length minus 1. Why we have taken? Because length is the last element, no? It will go till length minus 1. So but we have to go till length minus 2 only. So I have taken I is less than length minus 1, so that we can check the last element here. I take one more value for returning answer, or okay, so answer equal to 0. So in this case what will happen? Answer minus MSI. Okay, we have to subtract. If left side, then that means this is like this XL, then we will subtract X. Okay, and then we will add L. So minus 10 plus 50, this will be 40. And else answer plus equal to MSI. Okay, this is easy problem. Just it is finished. Return answer. Just run this code. Okay, runtime error. What is this runtime error? Okay, already it was closed, so there was this was extra. Invalid syntax for I in range. It is not taking due to this bracket. Just run again. What is this index out of range? Why it is going index out of range? If m is okay, we can put this one before then only. I think it should take. If this one I put before and now it should take, because it was previously checking now. But that is fine. Okay, this is wrong answer. Why it is wrong answer? Answer minus equal. Okay. Sorry. So this is accepted. Submit. Okay, submitted.